Well, howdy. Hippie Dave here. And this is a really, really interesting old boom truck from a time when if a feller needed something out, in the woods or on his ranch, he took what he had at hand and he made stuff. And this thing is no exception to that. If you look, the boom itself is a modified old truck frame, and it's even suspended on the original car suspension with the springs there. And then there's a big ratchet thing they devised on there for, the 2-speed transmission thing. And all of this plate and the mount and everything was custom built just to be this boom truck. And that to me is some really, really cool shit. And I just thought you guys would enjoy having a look around at this thing. And yeah, that's about a minute and a half, so I'll never get back. Peace.